Start off with our right foot, and we're just going to go right twice, and then left twice, right, left, right. And at that point, we're going to turn and do a grapevine going the direction we're facing. Some people kick their heels up. I usually just do a little hitch like that with the foot and then turn. So let's try those feet. So we start with the right twice. 5, 6, ready, and right twice, left twice, right, and then the turn. Perfect. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, ready, and right twice, left twice, right, and perfect. And so then on that and, we're going to take a step to the right and do a grapevine. Right, 2, 3, clap. Left, 2, 3, clap. And then we go forward. Most people like to put up their last one, just do a little rocking step. 4 counts forward. And then we go backwards. Most people would typically just do a hop step back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's work on that second piece. So we start with the little kick and the grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and forward. 1, 2, 3, hop back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Let's put the two together. So we start with the right foot. Right twice, left twice, right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Let's do it one more time. Right foot twice. 5, 6, ready, and right twice, left, right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, forward. 1, 2, 3, and back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. All right, let's do all 4 walls with some music and see how it goes.